In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track DNS query responses inside Cloudflare Logs. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to monitor. Next, navigate to Analytics and Logs and open the logging section available for your account. From there, filter the logs to display DNS-related activity. You'll be able to view information such as query timestamps, record types, response codes, client locations, and the DNS responses returned by Cloudflare. Use the search and filtering tools to narrow results by hostname, record type, response status, or time range. This makes it easy to troubleshoot DNS issues, verify DNS changes, and monitor how queries are being resolved across your domain. For ongoing monitoring, adjust the date range and review trends to identify unusual activity or potential configuration problems. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.